Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Milkshake Homemade, updated. Start by chilling your glass and measuring 2 scoops of ice cream, 1/2 cup milk, and your chosen flavor. Add ingredients to the blender in that order for easiest blending. Pulse briefly, then blend to your preferred thickness, checking sweetness and texture. Keep a spoon handy for tasting and adjusting sugar or milk as needed before serving. Warm and friendly tip: always pulse the blender first to break up ice cream chunks, then blend until smooth for a silky texture. Add milk by tablespoons to reach your perfect thickness, remembering that colder mixtures hold shape better. If using mix-ins like fruit or cookies, add them after initial blending for even distribution. Taste and tweak sweetness gently, then pour and enjoy with a straw and a smile. I love suggesting simple swaps to change the whole shake experience. Swap vanilla for chocolate or add a shot of espresso for a mocha twist. Fresh fruit blends into a lighter, fresher shake, while peanut butter creates a rich, nutty treat. For a healthier option, use frozen banana instead of ice cream and a splash of milk. Finish with toppings like whipped cream, sprinkles, or crushed cookies for extra fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.